Welcome back, YouTube. This is Jose at Shadow Builds. We got another episode for you guys today. Today we're going to be working on the hood again. On the last episode you saw that we laid down some gel coat from Total Boat, and then we laid some body filler all over the hood and the back. That all for some reason failed, and we needed to scrap everything and start from zero. You got your girl Belle at the front hood. I'm over there in the back working on the suicide door. By the way, we are going to be making a full video on the suicide doors once we get to the other side. That has been one of our biggest hitters on TikTok. If you don't have my TikTok, go ahead and follow us up on the screen right now. Alright, but that's enough for me. Let's get back to the build. If you have any questions, go ahead and write them down below. We want to hear from you guys. Just let us know what you guys are thinking about the build so far.
Guys, it's Friday. We just got finished done with this. We about to get a cheat meal in because we worked out strong. Okay, guys. Yeah, you see me grooving and shit because it was a hard day. But we gotta have fun in this motherfucker, right? Shit, if you got a 90s baby, hit the thumbs up and shit. Cookies and cream, and you know what I mean. And I'ma slap your bitches if you scream. Just like too much of it.